Volcanic eruptions can be destructive or creative. In a destructive eruption, gases, lava, and ash explode violently from a volcano. In a creative eruption, gases, lava, and ash escape slowly. Listen carefully as I read the author's description of lava as it escapes during a creative eruption. Lava bubbles and sprays like water from a hose or oozes out like toothpaste from a tube. Layer upon layer of lava piles up from lava domes. Over time, peaceful eruptions can build mountains. Ooze is the next word that we are going to learn today. These are the sentences that I just read from the story. This is the word ooze. Remember that you can sometimes figure out the meaning of an unfamiliar word like ooze by rereading the sentence that includes the word or the sentences that come before or after it to look for clues. As I read these sentences again, I want you to think about what the word ooze might mean and which words in the sentences are clues to the meaning of ooze. Lava bubbles and sprays like water from a hose or oozes out like toothpaste from a tube. Layer upon layer of lava piles up, forming lava domes. Over time, peaceful eruptions can build mountains. Based on what you just heard, what do you think the word ooze might mean? Hopefully you are thinking that ooze might mean to flow very slowly. What clues helped you to figure out the meaning of the word ooze? Hopefully you saw some of these clues in here. When you think about toothpaste from a tube, it comes out slowly and kind of gloopy. The fact that it peaceful would kind of give you an idea that it was slow and quiet and not violent. And would flow very slowly and gradually. To help build those mountains. Please say the word ooze. Thick, pasty, or gooey substances ooze or flow very slowly. For example, after a heavy rain, thick and pasty mud oozes down the side of a mountain. Or thick and gooey maple syrup oozes out of a bottle. Next, we're going to play a game called Does It Ooze? And you will go back to the Google form and answer questions. After I name a substance, you will then choose if the substance oozes or flows very slowly, and then explain why you think that.